Right, so we've been asked to solve this equation y minus 11y plus 24 equals 0. Alright, so right away I want to first of all divide my board. Okay, so from here now we have y minus 11 root y plus 24 equals 0. So right away, one of the first thing I could say is, why not say let the square root of y be equals to any alphabet of my choice. Let's say a. Now, if the square root of y is equals to a, it also means if you square both sides, don't don't forget, when you have a square root, let's say you have square root of x equals to 5. The way to eliminate the square root is to square both sides, and the square will eventually eliminate the square root. So if I square both sides here, it means that y is also equals to a squared. All right, so let's go right away to substitute. That means anywhere I see y, I'm going to substitute a squared. Anywhere I see root y, I'm going to substitute a. So y here is a squared minus 11a plus 24 equals 0. All right, so if we decide to factorize this, as this is a quadratic equation, the multiplication of these two is going to give me positive 24a squared. So what factors of 24 is going to give me negative 11? So that's going to be negative 8a and negative 3a. So using these two, we can then go ahead and factorize and say a squared negative a negative 3a plus 24 equals to 0. So a is common between these two terms. We have a open brackets a minus 8. Negative is also common, and 3 is common. We have a minus 8 equals 0. All right, so I can go ahead to say this is a minus 8 and a minus 3 equals 0. So this is a minus 8 equals 0, or a minus 3 equals 0. So hence a equals to 8 or 3. Now we are not done. What we are eventually actually looking for from the question is y. So since we've gotten a now, we can recall that our a equals, so our a all right, so in continuation, we then recall that our a was equal to the square root of y. Now that we have gotten a, so we can say when our a was equals to 8, it means that 8 is now equals to the square root of y. So here now we can square both sides. If we square both sides, this is going to give us 8 squared equals to square root y squared, and the square cancels. We get y as 64. And that's not all. We also got that when a equals 3, so we also have that 3 equals the square root of y. And what that means is you square both sides as well. So you have 3 squared equals to the square root of y squared. And by the time you have this, your y equals to 9. So what that means is the values of our y is 9 or 64. All right, so that's the answer.